Do you want to know how to ventilate your full lace so that it will come out this nice? You want to ventilate your full lace into boxes, but you don't want to start making an outline either with pencil or any stuff. You just want to know how to ventilate your full lace into boxes without outline. Then this video is for you, because that's exactly what I want to show you guys in this particular video. Your full lace should have this the shape of our head. Okay, should have the shape of a woman head, not round, not in a square pattern. Instead, it should have the shape of a human head. That I will still show you guys exactly how to do that in this video. In this particular video is all about how you can make your full lace in boxes depending on the size you want, without using any pencil to outline any stuff. You just have to do it in boxes even without outline. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're yet to subscribe, please consider doing that. So let's just go straight to the video. To start with, definitely you need your full lace, and please don't make the mistake of venting outside. Okay, venting inside, instead you should vent outside. Make sure the hook part is inside while you vent on the outside. The white material is just to make the holes visible. Okay, for tutorial purposes, that's the reason why I added that. So then after fixing your full lace on your mannequin head, go ahead and get your extension. It can be hair, it can still be attachment depending on what you're working with. So I'll start after counting 10 holes. Okay, we are starting from the back, okay, the hook side, but definitely we are going to start before the hook, because we need to cover that hook, not starting after the hook. Please do not start after the hook, instead start before the hook. So I counted to 10 holes. After the 10 holes, then I did my first vent. I vented on a line, so I'm going to skip one line and then I will vent on the next line. Remember, we are making boxes here and we're not going to use any outline. As you can see, I did not use any pencil or any drawing material to draw any boxes. Okay, but I'm still going to vent my full lace in boxes. So the number of lines you should skip depends on you. You can still decide to skip 2 lines, but for me, I'm skipping just a line. Just feel free to do what you like. If you prefer 2 lines, then go with 2 lines. Now I'm done with my width. I have to measure. Okay, for me, I'm working with 1.5. Okay, both for my length and then for my width. But for you, you can decide to work with 1 inch. You can decide to work with 1.5. Just like me, you can still decide to work with 2 inches. You can still decide to work with 3 inches or even half an inch. So it depends on what you want, the volume of your bust. Do you want a jumbo size kind of bust? Remember, this you use when you want to make a bust braid. Okay, when you want to make bust braided wig. Okay, not when you want to make cornrow. That's why you should use this. So now that I've gotten my width, now let's go ahead and create my length. So I'm skipping a hole. The number of holes you should skip equally depends on you. For me, I'm skipping a hole. That means I'm making use of 1 hole, 1 line to create my outline without pencil. That's the main purpose of this video. I'm just showing you guys how you can make your full lace even without an outline, because myself, I'm not a fan of outlining my full lace. Even when I want to make it into boxes, this is the pattern I use. I just go ahead and use the measurement I prefer, either an inch, 1.5, 2 inches, 3 inches, and so on. Like I said, I'm working with 1.5 inch both for my length and then for my width. For you can decide to work with 1.5 inch for your length, then for your width you can decide to work with 2 inches. It depends on what you want. Okay, so I find out that it's not up to 1.5 inch, so I have to add like 2 holes to make it up. Now the next thing is for me to go ahead and get the second length. Okay, I'm skipping just a hole. You are free to decide how many holes you want to skip. So guys, if you really want to get the best out of this tutorial, then I will urge you not to skip any parts. Okay, do not skip any part, so you'll be able to find out exactly what I'm doing, because I made this particular video very detailed. If you follow through, you understand exactly what I did. Do not skip any part at all. So when I got to my length and then my width, you can still decide to fill your upside. Okay, if you want, if you don't want, just go ahead and start filling your bosses. I'll still show you guys how to fill your upside if you want to complete the square. Okay, so here now you are the one to decide what to do as well. If you want to vent the inside of the boss randomly, okay, you just want to maybe just keep 2 lines 2 holes, or 3 lines 2 holes, okay, is left for you. All right, it's left for you to do that. You just want to, if you want to fill inside the box randomly, just fill it anyhow. That is left for you. But for people that love diligent work, if you like me to work like me, then you have to fill inside the box just the same way. Like I myself, I make use of 1 line 1 hole. So what it means that I'm filling inside the box with same 1 line 1 hole. But for you, if you have the time, go ahead and fill the box the same way. But if you don't have the time, you can just fill inside the box randomly. Okay, maybe skip 2 holes 2 lines, or skip 1 line 2 holes, like that. But if you like me to work like okay, then do the right thing. So looking at this now, we see how neat it is. Okay, when you part it, you see how neat it is. This is because I did not just fill the box randomly. Okay, I did the right thing. All right, so now that we are done with our first box, let's go ahead and create our second box. If you followed me to this point and you've not hit that like button, is it that you don't like this video or what? Please hit the like button, like this video. When you like this video, what it means that you are telling YouTube that yeah, this video is worth distributing. Please show it to other people. Okay, it's just a way of sharing the video by liking. Just like the video, leave a comment down below. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So when you are done with your first box, for the second one thing here is that you are the one to decide how spacious you want yours to be. I mean, from the first box, the space between the first box and the second box. But for me, I skip just a hole before starting my second box. If you want to skip 2 holes, it means that yours will be more spacious than mine. Okay, don't worry guys to understand what I'm trying to explain here. You are free to decide if you want to skip 2 holes before starting the second one, or it means that yours will be more spacious than mine because I skipped just a hole. So let's get our 1.5 inch, because I'm making sure each of the boxes is 1.5 inch, so it's not up to 1.5 inch. I have to add like 3 more holes to get to that. So the next thing now is for me to now get my width. Okay, so this one you just want me to fill it matching with the first box, and when I'm done, then I'll go ahead and get my second box. So this is what I'm trying to say. You can see the space between the first box and the second one. It's just a hole in between. Okay, a hole in between both of them. But if you want yours to be more spacious, that means you should skip like 2 holes or 3 holes, depends on what you want. Okay. I'm just trying to get my length here. I'm done with this side. Then let's go ahead and get the second one. Like I told you guys, your full lace should have the shape of human head. If you check the back of your head, it's not round, it's not in a square pattern. Just how the shape is, how God created it. So that's exactly how your full lace should be. Your full lace should not be square in square shape or round. No, it should be like the same way the shape of the head is. So I'm still going to show you guys exactly how to do that, so do not skip any part of this video. So just after this, I'm going to show you guys how to vent the back of your lace so that it will have the same shape with your head. Okay, so do not skip any part of this video. Continue watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Okay.
Is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me what do you like? Tell me where do you want to see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me what do you like? Tell me what do you love?
So I've done 4 boxes so far. Let me now show you guys how to customize this cuff area. Okay, so I skip a line after my boss. Remember I said you can still skip 2 lines here depending on how spacious you want yours to be. You can still give it 2 lines before the next boss, and after the next boss you skip 2 lines before starting the next one. It depends on you, it depends on what you want. You can still skip one just like I. Then for the holes, after each boss you can still decide to skip 2 holes before starting the next one. Okay, so when you get to this area, what it means is that you have to vent in a way that you have to curve your hand. You see how I was going in a horizontal line, then when I got to this area, I now started curving my hand. So that's how to do that. Okay, that's how to get that perfect shape. And when I'm done, I will now go ahead and get my length. Okay, and get the length of the other side. I'll go, then the next is just for me to fill the boss, and that's it. Remember I told you guys earlier, I'm still going to show you people how to make the complete square. Okay, if you don't want to fill up, you just want to make sure you get your exact square before filling the inside of the boss. I told you. So if that's how you want to get yours, then stick with me to the end of the video, because I'm still going to show you guys how to do that. If you've followed me to this point and you know that you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing. I make videos on how to ventilate, how to make contours, how to make frontals, full lace, how to make braided wigs, how to make your own hair, revamp hair, maintain your wigs, in fact everything concerning hair. So if you are not a subscriber to my channel, consider doing that, and please help me to share my videos. Thank you and God bless. So getting to the center of the lace, okay, I just have to get my length, my width. It's just the same thing. Okay, it's just the same thing. So this one was more than 1.5 inch, so I have to remove the excess, and now I'm shorting with 1 hole. So I'll just go ahead and add down one hole to get the exact 1.5 inch. Okay, when you are done with it, just for you to get your width, get your length, and then you feel. That's just it. The same thing happens when you get to the front side. Okay. So guys, just get your width, then get your length. Okay, get both side, the length of the both side, and then get the width, both the up and down. And then you are the one to decide how you want to fill the bust. I mean, inside of the bust now.
And one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder
And then for those that want to get their complete square, okay, complete bust before filling the inside, this is what to do. Just go ahead and complete it. Okay, get the width, the upside, and when you are done, then go ahead and fill the remaining, sorry, fill inside the bust. Okay, and just continue like that till you are done getting the whole lace. And remember guys, this pattern is not just used for full lace alone. You want to ventilate your closures and your frontals. Okay, you want to make bust braided with closures or frontals, you can still use this pattern. Okay, it's the same thing. Get your length, get your width, depending on what you want. Okay, the size of the bust you want, and then you fill randomly or just do a perfect work.
let's talk about. I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better.
And this is the final product guys. So this is just how to ventilate your buses without an outline. You don't need to start using pencil to start marking any outline. This is just how to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and see you guys. Bye.